So yesterday, children, we have discussed about yes or no questions. Okay. The words like is, am, are, was, were used first to start the yes or no question. And now let us see the WH questions. Okay. What are WH questions? WH words are also known as question words because they have the letters W and H. You can see all these words, children. Look at the screen, everyone. Look at the screen and see here all these words. See all these words. You have WHO, who, WHAT, what, WHICH, which, WHERE, where, WHY, why, WHEN, when. So all these words you see, beta, these words are starting with W and H. Are they starting with W and H? Unmute and tell me, are these words starting with WH?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, these words all yes, all these words are starting with WH. So these are called as WH questions. These are called as WH questions. The question made with WH words are known as WH questions. Okay. Now see who, what, which, where, why, when. Where is the new mall? Who will who will bell the cat? Why are you crying? When will we go for a picnic? Where is my book? Now see here, where is the new? To know the position of something. To know the position of something, we have to use where. Who? Who is used for the person or animal here? Who is used for the person. For example, who are you? Who is your best friend? Okay. Who is writing? Next one, why? When you are asking some reason, you should start the question with why. You want to know the reason of something. Why are you crying? Why are you going out? I'm going out to throw the rubbish in the bin. I'm going out to get a book. Why are you crying? I fell down and I got hurt. Why are you crying? I lost my pencil. So here we are giving some reason. To give reason, if you want to know the reason, you should start the question with why. Children, are you able to understand? Why we have to use where? When we have to use this WHER? Where? Unmute and tell me. WHEN, when is used?
WHEN, when?
WHERE, where? Why we have to use this? To know the position.
To know the position.
Yeah, to know the position. Yes, to know the position of something. Where is your book? You have to tell its position. Where is your book? My book is in my hand. My book is on the table. My book is in the bag. So we are giving the exact position of your book. So you have to, yes, you have to use where. Who? Who is used for the person? Who are you? Who is your best friend?
Who are you?
Who
is your best friend?
Yes. So we are asking to some person.
Who are you?
Next one, why? Why when we
Why?
have to use this why? To know the reason. When you want to know some reason, you should use this why.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Now you should,
Okay, ma'am.
everyone should ask me questions now like yesterday. You should get ready. You should
Why
use
you
all
crying?
this. You should use all these words to ask the question. When will we go for a picnic? When is used to ask the time.
Why are you crying?
See, listen. When is used to know the time. To know the time. When is your birthday? Date or time. Yes, when is your birthday? My birthday is in the month of March or in the month of November. Okay. When you'll go to school? I'll go to school by 9 a.m. When will you play? I play in the evening. Okay. So when? Next, where? Where again? To know the position. Which? Which is used to, if you have so many things. If you have so many things like books, so many books are there in your bag. Now I'll tell you, take out your book. Take out your book. Then what you will ask? Which book, ma'am? Yes? You'll ask, no, which book, ma'am? So when we have so many things there, to ask the particular thing. If you want to know the particular thing, then you can use which. Okay. And remember, children, all the questions must end with a question mark. All the questions must end with a question mark. The starting letter should be in the capital letter, and at the end of the question, what you have to put? You have to put full stop, no? At the end of the question, you will put full stop. Full stop you will keep at the end of the question.
Yes.
No.
Yes. No.
At the end of the question, what you will put?
Question mark. Question mark.
At the end of the question?
Question mark.
Question mark. Question mark. Very good. Very good. Now, everyone, children, take out your books. Take out your notebooks. First, take out your notebooks, English notebooks. So, are you able to see the screen, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Write the date now. What's today's date?
20, ma'am.
Yes. And which month?
January.
Okay. Come on, write now. 21. And write CW. Yes, beta.
We can't see the screen.
Why? Everyone can see, no, children. Are you able to see the screen? Show me thumb.
Yes, ma'am, we can see. Yes, ma'am, we can see. I can see only WH questions. Yes, ma'am, we can see.
You can see
Yes,
the
ma'am, we
4
can
lines.
see.
Okay. Just wait 1 second. I'll share the screen again.
Now we can't see.
Now?
Now we can see. Now we can see.
Okay, fine.
Now we can see, ma'am.
Okay.
Now we can.
Okay, fine. Now everyone can see the screen. So start writing, children. First, you write WH questions. Come on. WH questions. Right. WH questions. QUESTIONS. Right now, WH words are also known as question words. WH words are also known as question words. Write neatly, children. Number 2. The questions made with WH words are known as WH questions. Read and write, children. The questions made with WH words. The questions made with WH words are known as WH questions. Siddharth. Right. Read and write, beta. Questions, each and every word you have to spell. WH words are also known as question words. You should remember all these things. Now tell me, children, WH words are also known as? Unmute and tell me.
Question words.
Very good. Very good. Ayansh Gupta, what is your doubt?
Mom, your screen is not coming.
Huh? Ayansh Gupta?
Your screen is not coming, ma'am.
Oh, I think there is a network issue with you, beta. Everyone can see, no? Just leave the meeting, refresh the your system or device, whatever you are using, and join again.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. WH words are also known as question words. And the questions made with WH words are known as WH questions. Done, children?
Ma'am, I didn't done.
Janvi, you are not writing, Janvi.
Ma'am, I didn't write, ma'am.
Okay.
It just. Ma'am, I can't see the screen.
Oh, you can see the screen.
It's all black.
Come on, Arhan Mohammed, you are not writing. Vinit Jaker. What happened, beta? Write all the circles and write the WH words in that. Write neatly, children. Sai Ritvik, are you writing? Okay. Okay. Finished. Very good.
Finish.
Ashwath, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Finish, ma'am.
Write neatly.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay. Good. Bhanu Manvit,
Yes, ma'am.
are you writing?
Finish, ma'am.
These circles.
Yeah.
Okay. Turn on your video. Veda, Advit Gujja, Hanvit. Swarnika. Janvi done beta. Janvi completed.
We can't see the screen, ma'am.
Who is that? Janvi, you cannot see the screen.
No, ma'am.
Who's that? Beta, everyone are able to see the screen. Just
Yes, ma'am.
leave the meeting and join again. Maybe there is a network issue with you.
Ma'am, I complete. Ma'am, I also complete, ma'am.
Very good. And children, listen to me now. Yesterday, you asked me questions, right? Yes or no questions? You asked me so many questions. Yes? And today what you have to do? You have to ask questions to your parents. See the course book page number 14. Check out your course book page number 14, everyone. There is a hot seat activity, children. What you have to do? You have to arrange a chair. Arrange a chair for your parents. Make them to sit in the chair, okay? And you should ask the question to them. One question. Okay? Hot seat activity. You should ask one question to whom you are asking. That person photo also you need to paste there. There is a one frame, no? One frame is given. In that frame, you have to paste the photo of your parents, mother, father, brother or sister, 3 members. Any 3 members you have to select. You can select your grandparents, anyone. Okay? And you have to paste a photo there. To whom you are asking question, their photo you have to paste there. And remember, children, your questions should start with WH word. Only WH word. The question should start with WH word. Okay?